Unveiling the mighty 100-watt transistor power amplifier circuit. Embark on a sonic odyssey with us, as we unravel the mysteries of the 100-watt transistor power amplifier circuit, anchored by the legendary 2N3055 transistor. First, gather all the necessary components, according to the given list. The amplifier assembly steps entail fixing components onto the PCB in the first stage, followed by soldering the components in the second stage, and finally, connecting power and conducting testing in the third stage. The video provides a detailed circuit diagram, offering a comprehensive visual guide to aid students in understanding the intricate workings of the amplifier. Images of our audio power amplifier project, constructed on the Zero board, are provided for easy replication of the entire endeavor. Install all the components on the Zero board, according to the provided circuit diagram. Properly mount all power transistors onto suitable heat sinks for optimal performance. Before applying power to the amplifier circuit, ensure all connections align with the provided circuit diagram. Connect a 24-volt DC power supply to the circuit. Attach a 100-watt speaker with an 8-ohm impedance. If you are interested in watching the video detailing the assembly process of this amplifier, feel free to leave a comment below. For proper heat dissipation, ensure all power transistors, 2N3055, are correctly mounted onto suitable heat sinks. Thank you for watching our video.